Make a great choice today with the 2016 CX-5. With its fuel-efficient engine, engaging driving experience, and daring styling, the Mazda CX-5 is a good choice for those seeking a sporty yet thrifty crossover SUV. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, fog lights, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, leather seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.